Well, the snow may have put a stop to some things, but not pickleball.
Never pickleball. Jennifer Hoff takes us to a competition underway right now that's bringing in hundreds of the best athletes from all around the world.
It's no secret pickleball is the fastest growing sport. So much that a professional association now exists, organizing 24 tournaments across the country every year, including Lakeville, where 1,000 of the best players descended despite a snowstorm, like Jay DeVilliers, ranked 3rd in the world.
I got here from Phoenix on Sunday.
Arriving early to put in some practice.
Definitely didn't think it was going to hit that bad where a lot of flights are canceled. I was just excited. I arrived on time and being here to compete.
There are a plethora of players, some from Israel and Brazil, Florida and Kansas. The Professional Pickleball Association president saying some of its staff drove up to 30 hours to get here on time.
Who doesn't want to work in a job where everybody's here to have fun? It's the Disneyland of pickleball.
It took 2 days to transform what are usually the tennis courts here at Lifetime Fitness that last year had 5,000 pickleball players at all its gyms, a number that's since jumped to 44,000.
It's hard to be this good, but it's fun to play right away.
Not much stopping them now, even some snow.
The weather and the tournament only gets better throughout the weekend. Spectator tickets are still available through Sunday, or you can always watch online. In Lakeville, Jennifer Hoff, KARE 11 News.
That would be fun to watch.
That's what I'm saying. I'm not very good at playing. I like to play. It's fun, but I
Ditto.
love it. It's so fun to watch. So
It is
fast.
it's super fast. I'm glad that they're still doing it. No
I love her line,
cancellations.
though. The weather and the tournament just get better and better, right, Belle?
That's true. It does.